Hi, I'm Daphne here with US Classic Muscle Cars, and we are here at the Rosemont World of Wheels Convention.
Hi there, how are you?
Good, and I'm here with?
I'm Doc Riley, and I'm the host of the O'Reilly Auto Parts World of Wheels.
Awesome. So Doc, can you go ahead and introduce this next video?
Yes, hey, you can find out more about the World of Wheels by going to worldofwheels.com. Stay tuned for this next video.
Thank you.
This car has been extended 6 inches in the front.
They use that in the ice scene.
Awesome.
You're watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars.
Enjoy the video.
How you doing? My name is Brian Patterson. I own this 59 Cadillac 62 Series. All original car. Had it for about 5-6 years. This is Drew. She's going to show you the all original interior. You can open the door. It's all original. There, perfect. All original interior. Never been touched since 1959. Bought it from the original owner. Didn't want to sell it. Look at the horn ring. That's the key right there. It's got a good horn ring, original. Good dashboard. Awesome car. And then what we did to this, we just did a 3-inch drop with some 22-inch rims in the back, some 20s up front, and you don't really need to do much more than that. And then we can go up to the front, and then we'll show you the engine. And the ladies here will open up the hood and show it to you, because they do a good job. It always looks better when they open the hood than we open the hood. There it is. It's a 390 engine with an automatic transmission. All original, never been, never rebuilt, never anything. So everything is just original. Everything's powder coated, taken apart, powder coated, and put back together. Bumpers re-chromed, and that's.
Tell us about the bumper.
The bumper. We send the bumpers out to a place. They triple chrome them. But I don't know how many pieces. There's probably 10 on the front bumper. And came out not too bad. All the bullets, all the grill work is original. We never even took it apart or anything.
How much does the car weigh?
I honestly don't know exactly what the car weighs. It's heavy. But it is about 19.5 feet long. And then, let's see, what else? We did a couple other little small modifications in the back.
How about talk about the rims a little
Okay,
bit.
the rims. You want to go on that side of the rims, Natalie? There you go. The fronts are, they're Coys. They're 20-inch rims. We still left all the drum brakes. Never switched no disc or anything. It's just all original drivetrain. And then in the rear we did 22-inch rims. And then we had the trunk. Let's go around to the trunk. Whichever way you want to go, this way, that way, this way.
Airbags?
No air ride, just straight springs, static drop. I'm not a big air ride fan. I mean, I like air ride, but not on my own car. So, and then we had Voss Upholstery do the trunk last year or this year. It made it look pretty much kind of nostalgic-y, not real custom. And then like this, bullets, they open up to get the fuel. Most people, that's one of the questions they always ask.
Now,
And
who gets to wax this car?
these two fine ladies, they help me wax all the time. This is Drew and Natalie
What kind of wax do you use?
McGuire's.
You use McGuire's.
There you go. What else is there?
Talk to me about awards.
You know what? Honestly, we don't really get a lot of that. We don't really take it out show too much. Where we show it, it's just more for just show and have fun, and that's about it. But
Now, will you let your better half?
actually, the better half has never driven it yet.
I have it.
Not yet?
Had it for 5 years, she still hasn't driven it yet.
This afternoon is going to be a new story.
Yep.
I had a 62 Impala that he just sold.
I sold her car, so now she gotta get another one.
But he's building me a 1960 Cadillac.
Right.
So then she'll be good.
Now, what does your daughter...
This is my son's girlfriend.
Yes,
So
that's your son.
she just supports the cause. So
I'm the better half's better half.
yeah, the better half's better half, right? What else? I don't really know what else. We're all a team here. There you go. I bought this car, 1959 Cadillac 62 Series, from the original owner about 5 years ago. Took it apart, repainted it. Actually, Brian's Auto Rebuilders took it apart and repainted it. Coating specialties, helped with all the powder coating. A couple other friends helped out with a lot of stuff. What was that? A dream. Hey, the saying is that it rides like a Cadillac, this thing drives like a Cadillac. Because it is a Cadillac. We attend some local shows, cruise nights. We don't, we're not really out for like trophies and stuff. We just go to have fun and show it off and let people look at it because people love it. So I think that's.
Thank you for watching. I think we met on 3.
Oh, on 3. On 3.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Nobody Yeah, touched it. go ahead.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Welcome to the US Classic Muscle Cars. Please support us on Patreon. Please enjoy the next video.